p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maryland: Calvert and St. Mary's, and the following: Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Tidal Potomac, Long Island, Maryland to Plymouth Point, Virginia, Eastern Bay, Charleston River, and coastal waters from Rhode Island to Chesapeake, Virginia, about 20 nautical miles. A severe thunderstorm watch. These conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA weather radio all hazards station. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 2 p.m. At 12:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Fairview Beach, moving northeast at 35 miles. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, waterspouts possible, and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Swan Point, Mithras Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Pope's Creek, Brent Point, Fairview Beach, and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official The National Weather Service in Sterling, the National Weather Service severe thunderstorm warning. Northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Central Charles County in southern Maryland, northeastern George County in central Virginia, until 1:30 County in central Virginia, until 1:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near a severe thunderstorm was located 45 miles per hour. Moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Miles per hour with northeast at quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated will cause some impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include King George, Dalgrin, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Pope's Creek, Golden Beach, Whippowick, Hughesville, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Bryantown, Morganza, Debsville, Wheatonville, Chapsville, Mount Victoria, Belle Alton, Newburgh, and Faulkner. For your protection, link to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, south central Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 2 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leonardtown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leonardtown, Greenwell State Park, California, Hollywood, St. Leonard, Mechanicsville, Clements,
Morganza, Hillville, Chaptico, Sandgate, Sauderley, Hilltop Hill, Maddox, Oakville, Loveville, and Helen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Charlotte Hall, Bryantown, Morganza, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Trump Point, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Somerset River to Brooms Island, Maryland, till 2 p.m. At 1:14 p.m., a severe storm was located 8 nautical miles west of Brooms Island, moving east at 45 knots.
Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated.
Impact. Overboard by suddenly higher winds and capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include St. Leonard Creek, Dares Beach, James Island, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliffs, Taylor's Island, and Brooms Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the southeastern city of Petersburg, southwestern Prince George County, east central Dinwiddie County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Dinwiddie, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carson at 9:50 p.m. 415. Additional chance at around 2 p.m. Wakefield face. Other locations affected by this NWS Wakefield VA. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Prince George County, northeastern Sussex County, and southeastern Virginia, Surrey County, and southeastern Virginia, around 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cabin Point around 2:25 p.m. Claremont around 2:35 p.m. Kilbarron around 2:40 p.m. Surrey around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include New Bohemia, Taylor's Corner, Carsley, Templeton, Prince George Gulf, Spring Grove, Brandon, Gualty Corner, Oak Hill Corner, and Save Edge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Oak Hill Corner, and Save Edge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS